Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now we're gonna talk about the things that I like in US. So first is the food. Yung serving ng food nila doon, it's so big talaga. It can feed 2 people or more. Because whenever I eat there, I can't finish my food. My friend always told me, you're just gonna get the kid size because you always eat a lot, a small bite. That's why I like the food there. It's so big. That can eat a lot of people. Next is the job that you can apply. They're not looking if you're college graduate or if you're degree holder. As long as you have high school diploma or GED or even without, you cannot ask for a job. The one that they're looking there is the skills that you have. If you have a good skills, if you're good at your job, they can hire you and you will have a better money and you have a better life. Also, they always prioritize the people with the disability or the senior citizen. Even the senior citizen there, they can still apply for a job. But it's just part-time because I have a lot of co-workers that is senior citizen and it's not that hard for them to find a job. As long as you're not 65, if I'm not mistaken, you can still find, or maybe more, you can still work there. Yeah. There naman, people mind their own business. They don't give a fuck or they don't give a shit what they're doing at your life. As long as the people is not, as you not keep fucking minding them, that's fine. Yeah, like, do whatever you want in your life. I don't give a shit. The people is like that to them. But people there are appreciative. It's just like I don't give a fuck and what's your business in your life. Lastly, about your college, they can also make you as a student loan or as a debt if you can afford to have a college life there. Because mahirap nga sa US pag college na. It's nice about elementary, middle school, and junior high school. High school because all of that is free. But after all of that, babawi sila sa college. College is so hard there. It's so expensive. That's why a lot of people coming back home to the Philippines just to study. But yeah, that's my plan too. I'm gonna do student loan or maybe because I'm gonna take nursing. I'm gonna take CNA first, and after the CNA, I'm gonna do like associate degree. And yeah. May kakaibang tono ang boses niya, parang may halong pagod siya. Ano mas kailangan mo? Matigas yung tanong mo. At hindi masipan. Hindi sila mo. And we're finished, guys, for our makeup, for our Unready With Me. I'm gonna brush our hair. I think I don't want to put like wig right now. Short hair is enough for our vlog for today. Bye. Thank you. Anting blend lang yan. Bye. Until the next video. Have a good one. Have a good night. Have a good day.